Hello guys, welcome. This is Deepika from wealthandhealthmastery.com, and in this video we are going to sign up for our Canva account. I already have a Canva account and I'm using the pro plan for them, but you will get about 30 days of free trial if you are using it for the very first time, and then it is going to be $15 per month. If you want to pay it yearly, it's going to be $120. Now this is the pricing as the time of recording this video. This pricing can change in the future as well. So I'm not sure when you're watching this video what is going to be the current price. So first thing is you go over to canva.com and then hit the sign up button. There are different ways of signing up. You can continue with your Google account, you can continue with your Facebook account, continue with your email, or another way. So we're going to go ahead and choose any of these. You can choose one of these methods, but I'm going to start with continue with email. And right now I'm going to use personal or work, so I'm going to go ahead and give my email address. It's going to ask me for a code. That code is going to go over to the email, so make sure you have your email handy. And this is my code here, and I'm going to enter my code, hit continue, and I am logged in. Now currently, if you want to try pro for 30 days, you can see here, right, it has two types of trial. One is a team trial, and then it is a start my free trial. So then click on start my free trial. You have monthly for $15 and yearly for $120. Hit next, and you can enter your credit card details or your PayPal account here to log in. And right now we don't want to give it because we have 30 days right now. Okay, so you can see here, this is how you are logged in into Canva. Over here, this is your information about your account. You can get the Canva apps also. So you can see here, you can download the Canva for Windows, for Mac, etc. Also available in Mac, iOS, Android. So you can do that. You can also refer friends. Through referring friends, you're also getting benefit of it. When a friend joins Canva and creates a design, you'll both get to choose one of our premium photos, icons, or illustrations. So you both gonna get benefit out of it. You refer your friends and family. If you have a team of people that you're working with, you can create a team. Let's say you have a designer in your team, you have a video editor, etc. You can create a team using this create a team button. Then report content. If something is there to report, you can use this, and this is their privacy policy, and I believe nobody reads these privacy policies. If you want to sign out of this account, you can click the sign out button. And once you have bought it, then you can see your purchase history all over here. Their billing and plans, you can see right now we are using free version, and you can add a payment method and it will get charged every month. So this is all about signing up for Canva. From the next video, we are going to do a quick overview of the home page. What are the different tabs that are available in Canva? And then from the next section, we will start building our cool graphics using Canva. So I'll see you then. Thank you very much.